Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock on your Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4, I recommend you to get the Opera mini browser. So let's go for the Play Store. Tap on the search, go for the Opera and just install it. If you do, just open. And right now I'm going to show you why you have to get this browser. Click on the continue, then tap on the allow and continue. And right now we can go for example, for this website. Tap on the no thanks. And as you can see, there's the notifications that the ads were blocked, and it is thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So when you get the Opera, you don't have to download any external application and connect them or pair them. Just there's only one application, one browser that will fix every ads, right? So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.